What are you up to today, Radia?
I'm going to do my salami sandwich.
Salami
Yum, 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 yum.
What have you in there?
This. And my favorite garlic bread. And these and cheese. No. Yes, come on. Okay, let me get my slippers.
Alright, let's grab some.
No, you can't take this.
से काटो इसको ये काटो Let's go, Mani.
You want to eat pizza now? She's just a good girl. She's just a bit naughty. Yeah, she also stands where I stand. Now she's standing on my stool. What? I like the butter of this. The butter of this tastes so yum. These are chillac. Onion, do you have some cheese? Okay, I go to grab some to my baby sister because she will say cheese. I want cheese. This is a good pillow. But Dad, we don't need this. Guys, she got my drink bottle. That's fine. Oh, that's okay. Sharing is caring. Papa, why do we need these?
Mania bought it for her. That's all right.
Over here and here? I don't like those cheese. No, not that cheese.
We can put this one also on top. Do you want this also on top?
I could give some to Buddy a little bit. And give me some, Anya.
Don't use one. Cut this one from the half first. Like this one. This away. So that's a beautiful garlic bread.
Oh, we have to mount it.
Put some grated cheese here, easy for us. Do it. Now put some grated cheese in there.
I have one butter.
Sprinkle on top and then put it on.
I like
Right?
these kind of butters. These cheese doesn't smell really good. These are old cheese. Smell them. Some of these cheese. I'll just cut how much I want. We don't need this.
Put this one on the tray here and then put it. We're gonna toast this bread first. Put it in the oven down there.
Come on, Papa, I got open.
Start one. Yes, just leave it.
Slice this salami. Everything. I'm invisible, guys. when I was a baby I tried it, but I never tried it. Only when I was a baby. Try it?
Try it.
Mmm.
Give it to Mani also.
Tastes like sausage.
Yeah, it is sausage. Italian sausage. The Mani will do it. What are you gonna say? Say ah. Try.
Whoa, that's a bit fat. Ah.
Oh. Yum, man. Let me give you some more water. Salad, sit up. Right, we need to be careful with that.
Yum, hey. No, I'm not eating. And guys, that's what's going to happen to me next day. And it's already October, now it's going to be my birthday. And day after tomorrow is going to be my birthday.
Yum, yum.
Look.
Like fingers like this.
I'm going to cut one for me.
Now we
Ouch.
need to slice some tomatoes. Hold it from here. From the front, yes, like this. And then put your 2-3 fingers like this. Bend your finger. That's right. Yeah, that's it. And then go straight. 1, 2, 3. Grab your bread from the oven. Just wait up.
I just got my glove. I'm a frog. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Whoa. I have to be a bit careful. Wow, this bread looks so tasty. Gloves. I'm gonna taste. Mmm. It just tastes so good. I'll have one without the sauce. Let me try.
All the way around. Beautiful. Lettuce at the bottom. Yes, beautiful. Come on.
And now it's time to decorate. Here's some eyes. All the lettuce? The face is gonna look so funny. Because the sandwich will look funny because it will have the face. Here's the funny face thing. This is the eyes. It has 4 eyes. And now this is the nosy. Now this is gonna be the head. The head goes up there. This is the head, Dad.
Yes, come on. Want to sit down?
Giant, you wanted to touch all the way to the roof? A giant? You want to eat a giant for breakfast? This is only going to be our breakfast because I just went to the swimming pool for my swimming lessons. Hey, Papa.
How was it?
Good. I also went to the adults pool.
What did you learn today?
Floating. And tomorrow I just did floating and diving. And not in the adult pool. I did floating in the adult pool and diving in the kids pool. And it's not. Yes. I was a bit shy because the adult pool was too cold. I have a bit of a tummy sore. Hey, you can't eat that one. Because that one's going to be our eyes. Wait, that's going to be our mouth.
Not too bad.
Yeah.
Now
No.
just go on top. Alright, you cut it from half and share it now. What? You got your plate? Oh.
Yep, I like that one. Papa, this one's going to be mine. Hey, I got it.
Give money. Wait. She's not gonna eat it. We just keep
A little bit. Mommy?
Wow. Seta Didi.